Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can find and delete the information that Google account, your Google account know about you. Like you can delete all Google activities and history from your Google account. So I will show you the perfect process. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Chrome. So this process and method same for both like mobile user and desktop user. Okay, so first we need to log in with your account. Go to the Gmail and log in with your account. Okay, and now we go to this option, go to the manage your Google account. Okay, here your Google account, go to the data and privacy, go to the web activities. There is a the personalized search. Here the web app activities and YouTube history. There is a three options you can find here, and here you can see the view my activities and view YouTube history and view the map timeline. So there is a different activities. Okay, here we have third party app which have access that Google account. Okay, so you can go one by one. So I just go to the view my activities, just click on it. Okay guys, so here you can find that all activities I have. Okay, so timeline activities is my off. Okay, so it is, there is no nothing is there, so you can find your web activities. Okay, so you can delete from here. You go to delete and delete the always and delete select all. You can go to the custom range. Okay, you can select the from date or to date till date and just click next. Always is saying you need to select all product. Okay, just click next. Now you can deleting now preview. This is all I'm deleting, so just delete it. Okay, now you can go to the YouTube search history, and here you can find your all YouTube search history. I don't have anything here, so I can, okay, go to the manage history. Here you can see if you have any history, you can delete from here. Okay, you can also turn off that history, so in future there is a no YouTube or Google will not save your search history or watch history. You can turn off it like this. Okay, it is now turn off. Now come back here, the web history. You can also turn off this if you want, and here the search history we have, so we can delete from here also. Okay, deleting now everything. Yeah, now we have deleted everything. You can also, okay, so okay, now come back again, and here you can find that personal search. Okay, there is nothing because we already deleted everything. Okay, here the YouTube history we already pause and delete. So here the YouTube history we already delete. So here the view map timeline, you can also delete your timeline, map timeline. So here the all timeline you can see. If you have any timeline, then you can delete from here. Okay, or you can find the delete option under this search under the timeline, but I don't have any search history, so I don't find that delete option here, I think. Okay, you can simply delete from here. Just find out that delete option, you can delete it. Okay, okay, so let me go again here. Okay, here the app we have this is third party apps which connected to your Google account, so you can also delete this from here. Okay, so here I have server app here. I can delete this or remove the access. Okay, like if I go to this I slide, I can go to the delete all connection that you have in the Elspeth Nile. Okay, whatever this app name. Okay, you can delete from here. Just confirm it, then it will be deleted. So you can delete one by one. Okay, and okay, so that's how you can delete everything that Google know about you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.